This is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate what is the maximum camera zoom that this device has to offer. So without further ado, as you can see, I'm currently inside the regular photo mode. So let's zoom into something and see what is the maximum zoom we can achieve. And as you can see, the farthest I can zoom is 70x, which basically makes the zoom somewhat of a weak microscope actually, so you can see a lot of cool and small details. So let me show you how well it shows the curves on my finger. So yeah, and conveniently you also have this little preview window in order for you not to get lost in the shot, since the zoom is pretty huge, 70x, so that's a lot, I can tell you that. So let me just take a picture for reference. So as you can see, the quality of the zoom is also very decent. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.